Hello there. So let's talk about web application security, understanding each and every little thing of it. The state of web application security, from sophisticated e-commerce engines to cloud-based productivity solutions and personal tools on mobile phones. Web applications power how things get done. Organizations around the globe rely on them for connections to customers, business partners, suppliers, and staffs. To better understand the challenges that organizations face to product web applications, Redwire commissioned a second annual global survey of senior executives and IT professionals at companies with worldwide operations. The goal of the survey was to find out how security breaches have affected respondents' organizations in the past 12 months or 1 year, and the impact of application attacks on plans for cybersecurity protection measures. The result painted a picture of what's common to companies around the world, as well as in three regions: Asia Pacific, APAC, the Americas, AMER, and the Europe Middle East. So, getting started with web app security. So, there is some module object, like first one, understanding web application security. Common web application security vulnerabilities, web application penetration methodologies, input manipulation, authentication and session management. So tools used: Linux, Tailport Pro, Black Widow, Webslate, counter measures. So here is a overview, like applications connected each other with the internet, web application, and internet connected with application security, each other connected with security, and application servers only connected with application security, then application security connect with internet, then applications. So there is some method, http method and resource url. So what is the resource url? I'm talking it in previous video. And description, actually how all these three things connected: http method, get post, resource users, then gets leads of users. Again, HTTP method get user's password and gets a user identified by 1234 or anything, and post users creates a new user, and put users 1234 updates a user identify by 1234. Then that can be delete or update. It's a feature. So look in this picture, a URL, then a parameter, then a parameter value, query string begin equal sign. So what is routing? In routing is the process of moving a packet of data from source to destination. The principles of routing can apply to many networks such as circuit switched networks and computer networks. Routing is typically performed by a specialized device known as a router. Routing is a core feature of the internet where the router selects the paths of internet protocol IP packets to travel from their origin to the destination. The routing process performed by a router typically directs forwarding on the basis of routing tables, which maintain a record of the routes to various network destinations. A routing table can be compared to a train timetable, where train passengers consult the timetable to decide which train to catch. Routing tables function is the same way, but the network paths rather than trains. These tables may be specified by an administrator, learned by observing network traffic, or built with the assistance of routing protocols. How routing works actually? When a router receives a packet, it reads the headers of the packet to see its intended destination. It then determines where to route the packet based on information in its routing table. As a packet travels to its destination, it may be routed multiple times by several routes. Routers perform times a second with a million of packets. So this is how routing works and what is routing. So thank you.